Welcome to Easy Homestead. Today we're going to be talking about a very critical tool that you need for your garden so that you can grow huge, just voluptuous, just good, big plants. And you're going to do that with a seed book. Now, why do you need a seed book? Keep your garden organized. It gets you to be proactive instead of reactive. You have all the things that you need in your garden and everything to map out and plan everything out. Now, as you can see, mine is a bit excessive, a little overkill, but this is how I like it on this end. So I'm not the only one. A seed book definitely prevents you from having to re-buy seeds. And I say this because any gardener will tell you that they'll go ahead and they'll buy some seeds at Lowe's or Walmart or wherever, right? And they'll put it in their truck, come inside, have a banana or whatnot, a cheeseburger or whatever, and then completely forget where they put it. They're like, I think I put it in the garage. I think I put it upstairs. I might have left it in my pocket, I have no idea where that thing is. And you roll right back to the store to buy another set of the same damn seed that you bought and you lost. And to make things even worse, you would find those same seeds that you had lost a week or two later after you cleaning out your truck. I know I ain't the only one. So something like this, a seed book definitely prevents that. Absolutely. It saves your tail and saves you money and keeps everything organized. I can go ahead, if you open mine's all my lettuce stuff is in the front right here, right? So all of my prize head, my gourmet blend, my Caesar, my iceberg, right here. And it's just two rows of it. My black seed, my oak tree, all of these. All of my lettuces in the front, my tomatoes right here. So everything like that I need in a salad is in the front, peppers and all. So it's like, I know how to map out for my raised bed or even for my pots. Like everything is mapped out. On top of this, you don't have to go like as excessive as this and buy something like this like off of Amazon like I did. You can just get yourself like a simple like notebook, like those folders like those kids used to have for those Pokemon cards, or I used to be for Pokemon when I was a kid, so I know that off rip. Or like those baseball collector items. You can have those to organize your seeds also off of that. And on top of that, like you can like share your seeds with your neighbors much easier if you just hey bud, hey Chuck, hey Fred, you're gonna start your garden? Here you go. Grab some seeds out of here. Just make sure you bring it back. And they're like, whoa, dude, whoa. And I'm saying this out of experience because my neighbors are now gardening also. Just, they looking over the fence and they're peeking over and see what I'm doing, and like, oh man, I can do that. And so I see them building their raised bed gardens and I'm like, okay, I'm watching them. I'm like, oh, let me help them, helping inspire them. So I drop off my seed book to, it's just to help my neighbor out so that they can map out. On top of that, by having your seed book, you sometimes do forget what grows in a particular season. So you can always flip back to the back of the actual seed, like the actual packet itself, and it'll tell you, like some burpees, when's the best time to actually drop this off in your area, like to plant it in your area. How deep should you even put your finger in to drop the seed in? Like how moist it should be. How much sun does this thing need? All the information is on the back of the seed. So you're not going to remember all this. Like no one ever does. Like you're going to remember a good portion of it, but you're not going to remember all this. So it's good to have this. It keeps you to be proactive instead of reactive. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. From my seed book, I've grown the majority of my groceries now. I'm about 75% of what I eat is from the garden. This right here came from this right here. So this is a sugar ready spaghetti squash. I had I don't know where I bought this from. I ordered one of these seeds online, and it came over here. It's deep in the seed book for all my squashes, and that's that. On top of all this, right? Your seed book, my friend, you're not gonna leave this around sitting in your truck to get cooked, or on top of that, sitting outside to get rained on and everything just gets destroyed. Always keep this thing in a cool, dry place. If you want to go over and do some razzle dazzle with it, you can always make like a spreadsheet of everything that you have in here with your expiration dates, so that you know, like, if something is not gonna be suffice for your book, go in, take it out, toss it out, and get a new one, like after like a year or so. For me, for example, I just got a whole bunch of seeds from Baker's Creek, from rareseeds.com. You know, oh my God, they're so good. So I got this honey boat delicata right here. I can't wait to grow this puppy. Oh, it's so beautiful. And I'm going, and all of my stuff from Baker's Creek, as you can see, is in the back. So this is all the stuff that I bought. On top of all that, you want to keep something like this also. These little envelopes for like seeds that you happen to get out in the wild, that you can drop this thing in here, write all of the date, the seed, the breed, when you got it, and some notes about it right on the bottom, and put it also. So it's not just seeds that you buy from stores, like you come across. Like I had went into a store called Food Town. It has like all like unique eclectic fruits and whatnot. And I had found something called a Korean melon. I've never seen it before. It looked like some tiger looking stripes on it. And I enjoyed it. It tastes so sweet and so good. And from the seeds were like really small. They looked like some cucumber seeds. I took it and I dropped it in one of these, wrote down the date, and it's actually germinating right now outside. But so I can regrow it again. So it's not just you have to go ahead and keep buying like corporate seeds or whatnot. You can save money, and when you find eclectic, unique seeds, you can just put it in here. Or to even make it even better, from the seeds in your garden that you have. Let's say like you grow like this, my sugar ready that I got from here. The seeds that come out of here, I'm gonna dry them out and put them right back in the book. Fresh seeds now. So the old ones that I had bought are gonna be expired, and I have some new ones, and I can just keep rotating and keep it in. So that's why it's very, very good to have yourself a seed book. It's equivalent to you driving a car and the cop pulls you over and says, license and registration, buddy. Here you go. Catch you on the next one on Easy Homestead. And we're going to be germinating some of these. So catch you on the next video. Take care.